On the southeastern shore of Lough Neagh in County Antrim lies Portmore Lough, where I am today. It's a landscape of open water, reed beds and wetlands. Today it's a peaceful nature reserve protecting some of Ireland's most important habitats, a home for birds, insects and wildlife that rely on these quiet corners of our countryside. But beneath this calm landscape lies a piece of forgotten wartime history. During the Second World War, a Grumman Wildcat fighter aircraft came down here in Portmore Lough. The pilot, Peter Lough, survived the crash landing and was rescued, but the aircraft itself remained behind. For about 40 years the fighter lay hidden in the mud and water until it was recovered in the 80s and given a second life as part of the North's aviation history. Decades later the noise of engines has been replaced by something very different. It's the peaceful sound of reeds moving in the wind, birds flying across the water, and footsteps along the boardwalk. The path through Portmore brings you out towards the bird hide, a chance to slow down and watch nature without disturbing it. So for the rest of this video, it'll be a little bit more peaceful. Walk down the boardwalk with me here and we'll go down to the bird hide. but this is just a lovely little place. So the content of this channel is going to change slightly. A few weeks ago I lost my best friend, my dog, my German Shepherd, Mac, by cancer, and that was tough because we went everywhere together and we done these little explorations and whatever, but we were too busy having that adventure wherever we were going that I didn't really record much. I didn't really show these little places that we would have went to and platform them as much. So I think that's what's needed for my mental health, is to go out and explore, and if creating some content while I'm out and about is going to help me and also provide some sort of entertainment for people that want to watch, then I'm going to do that. So yeah, stay tuned for more little adventures, and hopefully the quality will only get better. Take care, guys.